Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of mole concept and stoichiometry. In this part, we are going to understand Avogadro number and mole concept. Avogadro gave a law according to which under similar conditions of temperature and pressure, equal volumes of all gases contain same number of molecules. For example, if 1 liter of oxygen contains n number of molecules, then under similar conditions of temperature and pressure, 1 liter of hydrogen, 1 liter of nitrogen or any other gas will contain n number of molecules. Now mole. Mole is the amount of substance that contains the same number of units as the number of atoms in 12 gram of C12 atom. It is the basic unit of measurement of atoms, molecules or ions. It is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. This number was given by Avogadro and therefore it is called Avogadro number. Now let's understand the working of numericals of Avogadro and mole concept. Here we have to learn one complete set of values which says 1 mole is equal to gram atomic mass GAM or gram molecular mass GMM. 1 mole will contain 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms, molecules or ions and will occupy 22.4 liters or decimeter cube or in cc 22,400 cc of volume at STP. So this is the first set of value. We have to remember this while doing the numericals. The second set of value will be given in the numerical where one value will be missing. We are going to find it out using unitary method. Now let's understand what is gram atomic mass and gram molecular mass using the example of nitrogen atom and nitrogen molecule. The atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. If we write it in gram, it becomes gram atomic mass. This is equal to 1 mole contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms and occupies 22.4 liter or 22,400 cc of volume at STP. Now nitrogen molecule. The molecular mass is 28. If we write it in gram, it becomes gram molecular mass. This is also equal to 1 mole contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules and this also occupies 22.4 liter or 22,400 cc of volume at STP. So in case of gram atomic mass, these are atoms. In case of gram molecular mass, these are molecules. Now let's do our numericals of Avogadro and mole concept. We can also solve the numericals of Avogadro and mole using formula, but it is easier to solve them by unitary method. I am using unitary method. Here I am solving two numericals in one go so that we can find out the difference between the two. In the first it is given calculate the number of moles in 7 gram of nitrogen and in the second it is given calculate the number of moles in 7 gram of nitrogen atom. So whenever we have to find out anything about the atom, it will be specifically mentioned in the numerical. Here it is not mentioned, so they are talking about molecule. Now let's do the first numerical. We know the molecular mass of nitrogen is 28. When we will write it in gram, this becomes gram molecular mass. This is equal to 1 mole. Applying unitary method, this implies that 7 gram will be equal to 1 upon 28 into 7, cancellation 1 by 4. This gives 0.25 moles. Now in the second one we have atom. So the atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. If we write it in gram, this becomes gram atomic mass, which is equal to 1 mole. Let's apply unitary method and therefore 7 gram will be equal to 1 by 14, cancellation, and this means 0.5 moles. Now let's do our next numerical. In the next numerical, we have to find out the number of molecules, atoms in 192 gram of sulfur. The formula for sulfur molecule is S8 and its atomic mass is 32. Let's find out the gram molecular mass of S8 molecule. Now this is gram molecular mass and this is equal to 1 mole. Contains this much of molecules. Now we will use unitary method to find out the number of molecules. So in 256 gram of S8, 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules are there. So therefore 1 gram 1 upon 256 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules, and therefore 192 gram will contain 192 into 1 upon 256 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. So we will cancel this. This will come 3 upon 4 and this gives us 0.75 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. We will not disturb this Avogadro number, we will keep it as it is, and this is our answer number 1. Now we have to find out the number of atoms. So in this molecule we have 8 atoms of sulfur. So therefore number of atoms in S8 molecule will be, we will multiply 8 with this above number and this will give us our answer. So this is 6 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. This is our answer number 2. Let's do our next numerical. In our next numerical, we have to find out the number of hydrogen atoms in 0.25 mole of H2SO4. This is a molecule and we have learned that in the gram molecular mass, 1 mole contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Therefore 0.25 mole will contain 0.25 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. But we have to find out the number of hydrogen atoms in 0.25 mole. So the total number of atoms in H2SO4 are 2 of hydrogen, 1 of sulfur and 4 of oxygen. So total are 7. We have to find out only about the hydrogen atom. So we will multiply 2 with this number and this is going to give us our answer. Let's do our next numerical. In this slide, I am picking up 2 numericals in which we have to find out mass. Let's find out how we are going to do this. In the numerical number 5, we have to find out the mass of sodium, which contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 22 atoms. Atomic mass of sodium is 23. So here we know that the gram atomic mass of sodium is 23 gram. And this is equal to 1 mole, contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. So let's use unitary method. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms mass is 23 gram. This implies that one atom's mass will be 23 upon 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 gram, and therefore the mass of 6.023 into 10 to the power 22 will be, we will multiply this here, cancellation, we have 23 upon 10 and this gives 2.3 gram. This is our answer. In the numerical number 6, we have to calculate the mass of 224 cc of carbon monoxide at STP. So let's find out the gram molecular mass of carbon monoxide. 28 gram is equal to 1 mole and it occupies 22.4 liters or 22,400 cc of volume. Let's use unitary method. Since 22,400 cc mass at STP is 28 gram, therefore 1 cc mass will be 28 upon 22,400, and this implies that 224 cc mass will be 28 into 224 upon 22400. Let's cancel this and our answer is 0.28 gram. In the last numerical of the topic, we have to find out the volume occupied by 3.2 gram of oxygen gas at 27 degrees centigrade and 380 mm of pressure. The atomic mass of oxygen is 16, therefore the gram molecular mass of oxygen gas is 32 gram, 2 into 16. In the numericals of Avogadro number and mole, the volumes are taken at STP, therefore we will find out the volume occupied by 32 gram of oxygen at STP using these values by gas equation. Now let's write the given values. We will convert this into Kelvin. Pressure at STP, volume at STP, temperature at STP. Let's apply gas equation. Substitution. Cancellation. Therefore, the oxygen gas, 32 gram of oxygen gas will occupy 49.2 liter at STP. Now we will find out the volume occupied by 3.2 gram of oxygen gas at STP using this value. Therefore 1 gram and therefore 3.2 gram, cancellation, and this gives 4.92 liters, our answer. Here we have covered up all the numericals of Avogadro and mole concept. I hope you have understood this topic. If you have any query, write to me in the comment box. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.